Hi, we're currently in Jollibee main gate, Banabago, Angra City, as I was having this Coke float. As we are going to unpack this USB adapter, micro USB adapter for Osmo Pocket. Okay, so let's start with the unpacking. So we all know that the Osmo Pocket only has the Lightning and USB adapter. So for the older phones, we don't have an adapter to connect the Osmo Pocket. So I saw this in Lazada, and let's try to test. So this is the only content, and it's very nice. It has this case for all of the adapters, and if you're going to buy in Lazada, they also have the inverted one. I only bought one side, which is compatible for my phone. There, if you're going to see it. So let's try to test. So here it is. I'm going to connect it here. The micro USB adapter. Again, here is our J7 Pro. And we'll try to connect. There we go. And now we try to power it on. As you can see, it was detected. Our J7 Pro has detected the Osmo Pocket. Alright, so it perfectly works. If you're interested in buying this item, you can check the description below. And that's it. And that will be all.